Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tandra's World. How y'all doing? Thank you for taking time out your day to come back and see about your girl. Y'all, we're here doing a quick little snack before work because I need to eat something and I haven't eaten anything all day. Sometimes it happens like that, right? Yeah, thank you for always taking time out your day to come back and see about your girl, regardless of what I got going on and what we're doing. Today, just a little quack. Somebody acting quacky? Cray out here. But it's a little quick snack plate. We got two little crackers with tuna, a little half a sandwich, and some chips. And y'all, I brought this juice here from Mobile. I have two of these, two different ones. This is the Golden Delicious green apple one. I don't know if we have these here in Texas. If we do, I haven't seen them, right? So we're going to do the first taste test on this one today. Well, maybe I should have pre-opened. Yeah, hold up. If you know, you know. Hit it on the floor. There we go. And y'all know I love me an apple juice. This is the one that we're doing today. Let's see. Everfresh. That's a good apple juice. It's in a glass bottle too. Yeah. That's good. That's good. Y'all know I love my little snack plate. Sometimes, y'all, my appetite don't be there. Now get some more tuna fish from work. I like having tuna fish and stuff made. So on days I just don't feel like I can just go pull something out. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. I love a kettle chip. Usually, I'm gonna do a sea salt or I wish I would have got more than one of these brought back. That thing good. Y'all know I love an apple juice. And of course, Old Faith. Ooh, Lord, that greedy spirit. Yeah, I know. I'm trying to get back on my routine, baby, because I was cutting up on my vacation. Cutting up. So, y'all be seeing me with smaller portions. I went bought these little plates on purpose. Because I feel like, honey, my midsection is trying to spread again. I'm like, oh, I'm fucking baby, we done came too far. Now turn back now. Mm-hmm. Mind over matter, baby. Mind over matter. Yeah. Me and Mac were just outside. Um, our neighbor, a couple houses down, we were talking. And she was like, girl, you been on the community board page. I was like, no, what's going on? Do y'all remember when I told y'all I got on this heifer at the end of the street? The one who had that big ass white dog that was going to the bathroom in my yard, and I took the video down to her house and this and that, and she wanna act like it ain't her dog. Now somebody else is on her ass. She trying to have an attitude or something online. I said, I wish I was on there. I wish I had it on. If you knew I would have had something to say. The person put on there what type of car she had and everything. I said, yeah, that's her. That's her dog. You heard the same thing. She did them out about 2, 3 in the morning. I heard, that ain't lying. That's her. So every time I caught that dog in my yard, it was around the same time, about 3 a.m. And my little neighbor said that she knew that me and her had talked about it. She said, cause then, after I told her, she had started watching her yard, and sure enough, it'd be a brown dog and a white dog. I don't know who the brown dog is, but I know that white dog is definitely hers. For sure. And one thing I said about the little neighbor down the street, a black family. I took the video because her dog was small enough to go up under my fence. It was in my backyard. And she said somehow her dog was getting out, but I haven't seen her dog out anymore. I haven't. That's so good. If y'all see these, get y'all some. Them good. I got the green one, and then I got a red one too. I wish I would have this good apple juice right here. Okay, Everfresh, come through. Like I said, it's the quick one too. Then I wind up taking me a protein shake. Put a little coffee in it. And a piece of fruit. Maybe some popcorn. Something like that. You better go eat your food, bruh. Because your window of opportunity is closing. His window of opportunity is closing. Mm-mm. Mm. I'm gonna get ready to go to work. Mm-hmm. Mm. Change is growth. I'm watching a little sister now. My little sister on TV talking about the content that she was creating. She don't feel the same fire behind it, and that she's been led to go in a different direction. It's a new season. It's time. It's about going with the flow. My favorite thing to say. People get used to seeing you a certain way and be expecting the same thing. But that's not how this thing called life works. Those who's supposed to stick, gonna stick. Those who's supposed to fall away are the ones who's supposed to fall away. Something like that. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Something like that. Babe, I have enjoyed this. I will probably be bringing me, if not a case back. I'm gonna search for them here first, but they may not be here. Mm-hmm. That's good. Mm-hmm. Mm. That's good. I thought I had a stand thing for my plant. I can't find it. I may have thrown it away. I don't know. Yeah, this ain't gonna be no long video. Let me tell you something. I got a flyer also in my mail about donation. If you want to donate, whatever, because I've been looking for some organization or whatever. Because I do not want to give my stuff to the Goodwill for them to resell. Like I told you, I lost a bit good of weight, and I have a not only my clothes are lightly used because I usually wear uniform stuff to work. I have several brand new plus size clothing, plus a lot of shoes and stuff that I'm getting ready that I ordered it, and I'm horrible about sending stuff back. That was too big and things of that nature, or just didn't work for my feet. So I'd rather bless somebody, but the time of the day, y'all, because y'all, I told you my day is full. So anyway, this company sent out a flyer or whatever. I didn't even look at where it was. All I saw was Texas. I'm thinking, okay. Anyway, they don't pick up in my area. Okay, fine. Trying to find somebody to come pick up something is crazy. But this is what I do know. If you want to get stuff away, you can find people to give it to you. I mean, to give it to. And let me tell y'all, I got a shirt right now. I pulled out the pile because I'm thinking that one of my coworkers would like it. This shirt was $59. And it's supposed to say $60. Brand new, tag still on it. Now I'm gonna take it to work and see whether or not she want to buy for $15-20. I'm just trying to get something out for her because I'm just giving away stuff, which I don't mind because I have an overflow right now. But if I can make something out of it, I don't mind making a little change. I got brand new shoes and stuff like that too that I'm getting ready to give away. But again, people want something for free. People don't want to pay for nothing. I'm just saying. But if that's the case, I'd rather give it to someone who is in need instead of someone who's in greed. Oh, okay, I said what I said. I said what I said. And I thought about just packing the shit in the back of the trunk and I know what some homeless folk, but then I like, hell, I don't know. You go down there and I don't know, because I'm by myself. I'm kind of scared to do that too. That's why I wish I had a male friend just to hang out with. We can go do some shit, but I don't know. I don't know. But the Most High gonna lead me in the right direction. In the right direction, because I sure want to bless somebody. I really, really do. Because this ain't just no junk. I'm talking about this. Like I said, a lot of my stuff brand new, and if it ain't brand new, it's very, very lightly used. If I have worn it once or twice, and that's if. Yeah. But anyway, y'all, if you see these, go get yourself some, because these are good. This is 2 thumbs up right here. If you like apple juice, if you see these, get yourself some. I don't know if they have them here in Texas, but I'm gonna look for them. I'm gonna ask my mama to send me them, because honey, this is glass, and honey, shipping by weight is just too much. But when I go home, I will be stacking up on at least a case of these when I go home. Facts. If you're on the highway, please be careful back and forth, right? Love yourself. Always love on someone else. And I'm going to see y'all next time. Bye.